How to change currency on OKX. Hi everyone, are you on OKX and wondering how to change your currency but can't quite find the option? Then follow through this tutorial. First of all, launch open the OKX application on your smartphone and log into your account. Once you're inside the home page, go ahead and click on the menu button at the top left corner. From the expanded menu, tap on your username at the top, and in the User Center, select Preferences from the top list. Now, choose Currency from the list and select a different currency you want to change to for your account. After selecting a different currency, you can now head back to the home page, and that's it. You'll be able to change your default currency in the OKX application. Remember, changing your currency only changes how values are shown, like your balance and market prices. This won't change your crypto. Now all your balances and chart will show in your chosen currency, much easier to understand. If you found the video to be helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.